We can have some initial discussions about your website. Of course, why now? We need to do a bit of discovery to ensure we know what you're doing. But once we get to the point now where we're going to start building or sorting out your domain or your hosting, we need a deposit. We are not going to do a test hero banner or a test header or part of a page just so you get a feel for how it works. Or even how does WordPress feel before we've even built anything. We're not doing any installations or any building until we get our 50% deposit paid, because that is the payment for our time that we're giving to help you and your business.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel?